From Mason Hall Secondary to Roxborough Secondary, schools' tourism youth clubs have opened their doors to the Secretary Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, Councillor Tashia Burris. Through these engaging visits, the clubs have been showcasing their understanding of Tobago's unique tourism appeal and their plans for the next school year.
We have a couple activities planned, both in-house and outside. The in-house activities will include some tourism awareness programs so that we can hopefully get more students on board. And outside, every term we want to have a talk.
These school visits aren't only about showcasing projects and plans. They serve as critical platforms for the Secretary to actively engage with students, offering insights, answering questions, and providing valuable feedback.
Right. Something that stood out to me was when she said that a lot of jobs align with tourism, right? And that you don't really have to be in tourism, you just have to do a job that aligns with it.
I would like to be a nurse in the future, and as she said, nurses have a role to play in tourism, so that is what I would like to be.
We have some amazing students who have gravitated towards joining the tourism youth clubs, and I'm very proud of the work that the teachers in the respective schools that I've visited have been doing in terms of getting their young people ready to embrace tourism as a real career. In addition to that, the division has been doing a lot of work with these tourism youth clubs and building their capacity.
The conversations went beyond the creative projects to the diverse tourism opportunities available, from hospitality management, destination marketing, and tour guiding.
We partnered with THDI. It's an initiative that started at Mason Hall, but we invited Roxborough, Goodwood, and Speyside, where we did a one-day certificate program in tour guiding, right? So it helps to, again, expose them to the different things that happen in the tourism sector.
The visits to the secondary schools' tourism youth clubs is a key initiative by Secretary Councillor Tashia Burris to develop the next generation of industry leaders directly from their classrooms. I'm Juliet James reporting from the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation.